Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone only making WhatsApp calls to contact. Basically, there's no direct way to call people. When you click on a code that you want to do on a contact, what it does is just call via WhatsApp. So the fix is very simple, but before we start, just make sure you give the video a like for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out, and subscribe if you're new. We just hit 14K subscribers tonight, last night. So what you want to do here to actually fix iPhone only making WhatsApp calls to contact is just go over to your recent tab on your device. Click here, click on recents, and you want to make sure that you're calling a mobile phone. As you can see, I called this person 3 times, once via WhatsApp, once via Viber, once via mobile. You can see mobile at the bottom right next to the name. So what you want to do is make sure you don't click the WhatsApp audio one, but you actually click the mobile one. So you want to click mobile, and that would be all good. That's all you have to do. It's very simple. I know you can still have some questions. Let me know if you do in the comment section down below, and I want to see you in the next video. Bye.